you got to undergo a lot of health problems and other things. So facing all this kind of problems, how do you able to manage and make this film? Yeah.
So basically, I moved to Bombay 3 years back, and it's been a very nice city for me. And well, health problems in terms of the weather is completely different from Bangalore and Mysore and Coorg. I am from Coorg. I did my education in Mysore. Then I came to Bangalore. I was here for 3 years before I shifted to Bombay. So the weather is completely different. The food is completely different, which plays a major part in, because I've grown up eating Coorg food, which you get in Bangalore also, like South Indian rasam. The food there, I had to get used to all of that. And it's been a good city so far. And we shot this movie in Goa. Touchwood, I've never fallen sick. We've shot in extreme heat, extreme cold. I've shot in like very, very bad conditions, but I've always, overcome it.
Could you just tell us some few interesting sequences which you have undergone?
In Love Shagun. One instance that I can never forget was when we were shooting on that island, and that island comes up only for 4 hours, then it starts sinking. So we finished quickly. There were 2 boats, it was motorboats. The whole crew, the cast and crew jumped into the boats, we were going. Then we turned around, we saw 3 people are remaining because overload had happened in the boats. And those 3 people didn't know how to swim. And the island, which was so big, had become this small. And they're standing like this and waving. So we were like, drop us back quick and go fetch them. One of them was the director of our film. And another one would be, we shot in Goa. Goa is always a fun place. It's been one of my favorite places in India. So me and the cast like Vikram and Anuj and everyone would sneak out after pack up. We had bikes like Honda City, scooties and stuff. So we'd go for a round, have a beer and come back.
Which is your next coming movie which you have signed? Can you just tell us?
So my release on 19th of Feb is Direct Ishq. Love Shagun releases immediately after that, the next Friday, that is 26th of Feb. And then in Canada I have Nanna Nina Prema Kate, and I'm also shooting for another Hindi film called Sarthi. I think Valentine's Day is all about love, and love for me is very important. Of course, everyone says not just your boyfriend's love or your girlfriend's love. For me, I need to be loved. I need to be given attention, and love plays a very major. It's like a vitamin that I need to survive. And also, when you fall in love with someone, don't take them for granted. And if you can fall in love so easily, you should also maintain it, which is very hard. So be loyal, be honest, and be happy. And don't bring your partner down. Be the wind beneath their wings. And also for me, I always maintain that family comes first. For me, my mom and dad are everything in life. They're like my gods. They're like I'm too attached to them. So that's what I feel about love. I love passionately, or I don't.
Thank you so much, and I congratulate for your success and future wishes.
Thank you.
कुछ पल है यादों के, हंसी सौगात ही सही, नम हो जाए आंख कर, नई शुरुआत ही सही।
Actually, there are the story is about 4 friends who have started coming to stay together at a place in Goa, in a bungalow which is next to the beach. So they were like childhood friends, or they were some who met in college and stuff. but they're very fast friends, and they wanted to stay with each other. So somehow they have managed to come down to Goa, work there, kind of push their work around in Goa and stay together at Goa. So out of these 4 friends, JD is one. I'm also one of them. So my character is the guy, because as I said that the movie is about different people coming from different cultural roots to and adapting the Western culture in India and trying to manage or trying to, like, they also have their existence and they are suffering their own kinds of conflicts in the whole situation. So I'm also one of them, and my name is Deepak. My character's name is Deepak. The character is full of energy. The character is full of fun. It's more or less. I can say that the comic part in the film is what I am handling on my shoulders. So wherever you, I think I have done that part. I think I am able to tickle you also while you watch the film. So this is one thing, which is what my character is. Plus, I have a girlfriend who is very dominating, and I am dominated by her a lot. But it's a long relationship. She also stays in Goa, but she doesn't stay with us. But it's something that it's kind of a long-term committed relationship which is there. And she also plays a pivotal part in their life, as she plays a pivotal part in my life also. Because she is one of those people who would want everything to be perfect, and who would always suggest that you should not do that, or you should look at the other guys, how they are staying. So she is kind of always kind of monitoring. She's kind of a mama for me, which I found in a village, which I found in a new city in which my parents are not there. So she is also one of the parent to me. So my character revolves around these people, and my life goes on. I'm a person who enjoys having fun in life. My life is more or less settled. I have a job, I have a girlfriend. That's why.
Okay. Overall, what was your experience in acting in this movie, and how do you felt it? Acting in Love Shagun.
It's quite an interesting question, because the day I signed this film, week after I signed Sumit Sambhal Lega, and it was, I knew that it is going to be very tough for me, that I had to handle both the shoots at the same time. So in fact, I also went to Mr. Sandesh ji and told him that I've got this television serial which is quite big and which is quite interesting. I want to do that. So is it possible that I can drop off this film and do that work, because I find that work to be much interesting? That's what I told him. So he said, are you sure that you find that interesting? I told him that, see, it is something which is a longer thing, and that's gonna also take a good care of my finances for the year and stuff. So he said that we will try to adjust as much as we can, but if this is your prior commitment, if you can keep up with our commitment, nothing else than that, we can try to help you out with that. So because of this, lot of times, in fact most of the times, I was shooting 4 hours for the serial, shooting another 4 hours for the film, and another 2 hours for the traveling which used to go. So I was managing both the places. I was rushing from one set to the other set, then again back to the same set. My dates were very less, so my shoot was also kept in certain way. There are a lot of scenes of lot of places, so inka location based scene kar do, and there are a lot of things which I was supposed to do then and there, and there was no sequence in which I was shooting. Generally films also do not get shot in a sequence, but it was quite difficult for me in that way, because we did not know how the story is actually developing. And if you actually have an idea how story is developing, then only you can create your character in a better way. So I had to pre-design it in a better, I had to pre-design it, and then I had to justify it. And then Mr. Sandesh Naik also told me to improvise as much as I can on the set. He showed me that trust. So in that part, it was a different experience. I was experimenting something, and I hope it has come out to be really good. Yeah. I would just say that love is something which is very beautiful, but it cannot actually exist without hatred. And I won't say that hatred is a bad emotion or it's a negative emotion. It is necessary that if it exists. Even if you have hated somebody for today, I would just expect you to do that for today. Cherish that moment also. Because unless you have done that, you won't have felt love. And love is something which you will cherish, but cherish hatred also. If you can, please do that.
Thank you so much.
What do you think of yourself? कि तुम जो चाहो कर सकते हो? And me? You can just screw me over and leave whenever you want to? Get out! Get out! Get out of my house!
कुछ रास्ते मंजिलों को छू के मोड़ जाते हैं, कुछ नाते जुड़ते जुड़ते ही टूट जाते हैं। हैरानी होती है आंखें जो रोती है।
This film is coming on 26th of February. It's called Love Shagun. It's a love story, but somewhere the angle is quite different. My character is the main protagonist who's in the film, and the story revolves around this guy. This guy's name is Jyotiraditya Suryakant Dubey, and in short, it's JD. Well, JD sounds like Jan Daniel, but he's not. He doesn't drink actually in the life as a character. But one more ironical thing is that he's got Maxim scenes as a drunkard in the movie. So this guy is very much like who's mama's boy and who's full of his art and loves the people around, and simplicity is is what forte is. He's always been simple. That's his outlook is like that. And this guy JD, he's come from a native place to Goa, from his hometown to Goa, living with 4 friends altogether in totality, who are all different people and different characters. They're like different spices to food, you would say. Everybody has a different definition to love, how they think. Some people some people think it's very quite chilled out to have relationships and let it go and everything. At the same time, one more character who's depicting the love as someone who's there in your life and thinking that she's very pretty, and you would like to be with the person just because she's pretty, and you cannot get somebody who's prettier than that. But somewhere he cannot be compatible. So he depicts love as two people who love each other but not compatible with each other. It's possible. Me as a JD, who's a guy who believes in astrology, and this astrology believer, strong astrology believer, the thing has come inherently from mother, because mother is a strong believer in astrology, and like how with a guy who's away from the hometown, away from the parents, they like to be a well-wisher and try and figure out ways out of the way to wish them and try and find ways where he should get success in life. So she will give me rings and ask me to go and do puja and be religious to things at some particular time. So that's how the whole thing has come into JD, this character. Now this character of believing in astrology gets him into a lot of situations where he's stuck, where his friends are helping him out, and at the same time it gets more complicated every time. If you try and apply everybody's theory in life, it gets complicated. So this is how things revolve around him, and he's going to meet his the love life where he's basically looking for a girl to get married to, a perfect girl, and ends up being in a lot of trouble in life. So this is a rom-com, but this is not a rom-com where you would be like laughing, riots will happen and it's a comedy going on. This is a rom-com where it's a light film, a portion of life of a JD is shown, a person like JD who's a simple guy, and a couple of other people who are elements around him, and more on situational comedy. So I would like to mention this, why I picked up this character. I picked up this film as Love Shagun as a JD character because when I checked the whole script, it was taken more as a challenge in life, because as I've done a lot of commercials, I've done like 8 to 10 commercials with Anushka Sharma opposite to her. I've been endorsing Nivea brand from last 4 years, and Deepika Padukone, I've worked with her opposite to her, endorsing Fiamma D-Bills, soap and its brand. At the same time, couple of other celebrities I've worked in the commercial. Doing TV shows and everything, all together has been portrayed as a lover boy, a newly wed couple, where more of like a complete man, like I've done a campaign with Raymond's earlier, which was very popular. Breaking that image of being a complete man, a sensible person, elder brother, or someone who's very wise. Breaking that image, I wanted to break that image, and so it was more like a challenge to me, thinking that this will get me that range of my range of performance in front of audience. So there is a risk that people might, I don't know how they're gonna look at it, but I know very well that I've worked really hard into this whole character. I've done workshop before the movie started. I asked director to specially keep the workshop because of that reason. Since I've come from a scratch, doing modeling for a few years, 2 to 3 years in commercial ad and TV shows, and further back to working in good commercial ads, and then working in some regional films, and then further doing a supporting role in a superb film like Hava Hawaii, and then now working as a male lead in a Hindi film. So I think I've come from my roots where a person who goes like a tortoise, I just work step by step. It's difficult for him to fall on face. So I've always believed in that. I've always believed these things have come from my father. So I think I'm very sure I've done my job. Now further the thing is, on 26th I'm going to see how many marks I'm going to get from the audience. Well, I think everybody believes in astrology somewhere or the other, a bit or more. If you sit and read the newspaper and read it for your friend who's sitting next to you, and start reading for the sun sign, I'm sure even if the person doesn't believe in astrology, would definitely listen to it and would comment on it. So we all like to listen about we would like to know about future. If there's some way that tells about it, everybody is excited about it. What exactly is there in my day? So yes, I do. I have little belief, but I'm not superstitious. So there's a level to where I believe in it. So if it's a good thing happening, okay, great. It's my good day then. Okay, today is Valentine's Day, and we always have, when we think about Valentine's, we think about girlfriends and boyfriends all the time. But I think Valentine's is a symbol of love, and symbol of love can be unconditional love towards your pet, or towards your family members, towards your parents who are there all the time for you anyhow, in any condition, accepting you how you are. So being the single guy, I think you all should. We all should give that gratitude to all those people who are around you, and showering love on you, and all those people who love you unconditionally. We should appreciate it today.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir.
हम सफर है